Don't touch me. My name's Melinda Coletta. I think that's my husband, Phil Griffin. Together we're Professor Chef and we teach you how to play with your food. So tonight we're going to be making some bacon mac and cheese.
Yes, we are.
All right, go ahead, teach us, please.
All right, so I'm going to be in trouble right away because I'm adding onion to the recipe.
You know, I was just looking at that and I'm like, well, why do you do this to people?
Because you can do anything you want when you're cooking.
Don't add the onions.
Oh, the onions are great.
I don't know.
If your kids don't like onions, you don't have to add them.
Okay.
But if they, well, maybe you might want to add them because then they won't eat this. Maybe. All right, so we put a little bit of oil in and put the onions in there. I did not mix any olive oil in this because I didn't want the flavor of the olive oil. And I got some secret fat here in this little cup here. This is bacon fat. We're going to use bacon fat. So we'll just caramelize up a little bit.
When I was a kid growing up, we always had a coffee can of bacon fat underneath the sink. Did you guys have that too?
We didn't. We kept it on top of the stove.
Oh, on top of the stove, even better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Under the sink. You never know what's underneath the
Well,
sink.
it had a lid on it.
Okay.
It was like, anyway.
Eggs cooked in bacon fat are phenomenal. I've
Oh,
actually worked in
absolutely.
restaurants that have done that.
Yeah.
All right. So the onions are starting to brown up. I'm going to add a little bit of bacon fat to this.
Okay, that's a little bit more than a little.
It's all perspective.
That's
I didn't add the whole cup. I only added a third of the cup.
Okay.
I'm actually going to be using a spoon today. Believe it or not.
A wooden spoon.
A wooden
I never
spoon.
did that.
What we call a roux. A roux is equal amounts of
They can't talk to us unless you read.
a roux is equal amounts of fat and flour. Okay, doesn't have to be oil, doesn't have to be butter, it can be any type of fat. So in here, I'm caramelizing the onions with a little bit of oil, a little bit of bacon fat.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to dust the bottom of this with the flour. I'm going to be making a roux. Right, we are making a roux because we need the roux to make what they call a bechamel sauce.
This isn't a bechamel.
Yes, it is. Will you let me finish?
Okay.
A bechamel sauce is the mother sauce.
Okay.
So when you add the roux in the milk, you
Right.
have a bechamel sauce. I add cheese to it.
And nutmeg.
It is now a cheese. No, it doesn't have to have nutmeg. You add cheese to it, and now becomes a cheese sauce. If I add 3 different types of cheeses, I now have a Mornay sauce. And that's French, and it sounds fancy. So we'll make a Mornay mac and cheese.
I still like mac
Mac and cheese, yeah, bacon mac and cheese. All right, so they got some decent color to it, and you're now going to dust the bottom with some flour.
When you finish dusting the bottom of that, could you dust the rest of the house in the quarantine kitchen?
That means you got to clean it. The other day I was almost had a shock. My lovely wife had the vacuum cleaner out, but a week and a half ago.
Nobody's supposed to know about that.
When was the last time you cleaned the house? Legitimately. What?
Never?
Yeah. Okay. So we have a problem.
Look, you knew when you moved into this place.
we don't have clean people now. So
Well, not right now.
all right. So the roux is, you have to cook the roux. All right, we've cooked out all the starch.
You gotta cook it up at least. Stop that. At least 1 minute.
Right. So now we're gonna add some heavy cream. Have a whip, please. We're gonna have some milk, equal parts of heavy cream and milk. Could you use just plain milk? Sure. Heavy cream tastes better. Right. And now we're gonna stir this all in, bring it to a boil. It's gonna come up nice and thick. I have a job for you, my love. Can you take and crush the potato chips, please?
I can.
Can't you just use your hand?
No.
Oh my word.
This is so much fun. So, being that this is quarantine kitchen, we don't exactly have all the stuff we would like to have. Normally, we like Lay's, waffle cut.
Excuse me. Jesus, you're dangerous. No, all you gotta do is crush the thing.
Lay's waffle cut potato chips. They work really well. Well, guess what? We just got, I don't know, Cumberland Farms wavy cut potato chips. I like them pretty coarse. He's probably going to want them finer than that.
That's fine.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so we're adding some cheddar cheese and some Parmesan. We are now making that cheese sauce. We didn't have, I like to add Swiss to this. We didn't have any Swiss or Gruyere,
okay.
so we only make it a cheese sauce. Alright. Looks really,
Everything's
really good.
substitutable, right?
All
A
right.
recipe is just a suggestion.
You want to come
yes.
over here, Sarah? Yeah, a little bit of bacon. Oh, baby.
So this morning I cooked off a pound of bacon. The way we cook our bacon is I put it on a cookie tray that has a silicone mat on it, and put it in the oven at 425, and let it go, like check it every 10 minutes, and then I flip it once in a while, drain the fat off into the coffee cup over there to collect that, and you don't make a mess of your kitchen stove. It just cooks so much, it takes longer, but it cooks better, and not as much cleanup.
Alright, salt and pepper. Add in there, give it a little taste. I think I might add a little bit more cheddar.
You forgot one ingredient.
Oh, yeah, I did. Dry mustard powder. Thank you. And I had it already in front of me too.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Alright.
Whoops. You gonna taste it?
Taste it again.
The other side of the spoon.
Again. Baby. That's good. Alright, can I have the pasta, please?
So when did it become pasta? Like,
Can I have the macaroni? Whatever you want to call
I
it.
know, because when I was a kid, we always called it macaroni, and
Well, you
now
guys
it's
are Italians,
pasta.
so-
And like,
We Italians got weird things.
if anybody out there has the answer to that, please let me know, because
How many people know who Anthony is? Anthony!
Prince Spaghetti Day. Wednesday is Prince Spaghetti Day.
Don't go too far.
Oh, and you gotta use a good
Good pasta that's got
or
a lot of-
macaroni. So this is twirly. I'm not sure I washed my hands. Since
I know I
did
wash
that.
my hands.
But anyway, they're curly, lots of lines. You want a pasta that's gonna hold it. And don't use the elbow macaroni. This isn't Kraft macaroni and cheese, right?
So this sauce came together really quickly because we used a big pot.
Mm-hmm.
And I like using a big pot because I can put everything in here and I didn't have a mess. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you don't have to do this step. It's a little cheese. But it's a nice to do step.
There you go.
Chip on the top. Potato chips on top are so much better than breadcrumbs.
We did have breadcrumbs as our plan B, but if we
And
were...
you do it to me again.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese over the top also, because that adds some color to it.
And then we'll bake it.
Alright, I'm gonna give me 2 seconds. Talk to the lovely people for a second, please.
Uh-oh, did you have a stunt double? All right.
I'll be fine. I said talk to him for a
I
little
don't know
second.
what to say.
Oh my word. This is when you were at a loss for words.
When you want me to have words.
Oh my word. That's it. We're gonna I actually have the broiler on, so we're gonna try to get a little bit of color on that. The broiler should get it done really fast. So this step you do not need to do. It's just a nice to do.
Oh, it's fun.
Yeah.
It tastes so much better.
And the texture of the chips is phenomenal.
Yeah. Much better than breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are okay, but I wonder what else you could use.
Bacon?
Rice checks?
Yeah, again for the if you're doing gluten-free pasta, you use that.
Yeah, rice checks might work.
Right.
All right, so we're gonna put those in the.
Leave them there for now. Put a little bit of chips on.
You want me to go get the other one?
If you want to get the other one, please.
No,
Yes.
it's not very long. I'll be very well.
You want me to grab it?
No.
Can you handle it? Don't drop it.
Yeah, I know. That was. Yeah, she did. Oh, okay, yeah, you did a little bit of color there.
Yeah.
Not much, but it did get some.
There we go.
There you go.
Bacon mac and cheese.
Yum-ola.
As good as it tastes.
So-
Looks as good as it tastes.
Now, tomorrow night we're doing
Meatloaf.
meatloaf.
I'm not sure what type. I might do 2 meatloaves.
Okay.
If we find pepperoni,
Yeah.
we're going to do an Italian meatloaf.
Okay.
And I'm going to do, my mother's watching, I'm going to do the meatloaf my mother used to make.
Okay.
It's got a secret ingredient.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
The one with oatmeal.
Oh, I forgot about that one. Yeah.
It's a barbecue sauce.
So all our meat, we have a class that specifically addresses meatloaves. So if you go to our event, whenever we're doing these classes, if you go to the Facebook event ad and click on that, I have all the recipes. But the meatloaf one, I wasn't sure which direction he was going to go. So every single meatloaf recipe is in there. Okay. I think including the bacon cupcake one.
Bacon cupcake. And don't we do one, do a Vietnamese one with pork?
I don't think, no, not in that class, I don't think, but anyway. So, or if you have any suggestions for next week, please let us know, because it doesn't look like we're gonna.
I get two started.
Yeah, but I don't know, we gotta discuss. One of them is donut holes, so I'm sure that's gonna be a smash. Anyway, see you tomorrow, live at 5. Bye-bye, everybody.